Hello, folks. It's been a while since I've actually recorded on my GoPro or vlogging, because after I switched to the HJC about a year ago, I decided not to get the camera onto this, and I had the Innov on the Tiger, the dash cam. I also did lose out on, I lost the interest on vlogging on the bike. So I don't know, I guess today I put the helmet, the cameras or GoPro is back on the AGV, and today I'm going to Jagdish. I just need to get the TPMS installed on this 1000. So for the folks who don't know, I also picked up a 1000 recently. I always wanted a Booza, but getting good clean Boozas is a challenge. So, and most of them, right, the first guys who take it, who genuinely like it, keep it, and the others who just buy it for the fame, take it, abuse, and sell it. Now there are a few on the market, but not the ones that I like. So out of the blue, I just managed to find the 1000 and decided to go ahead with it. Enjoying my time with this. I've already completed about 2,500 3,000 on this. Really enjoyable bike, and in some terms I'd actually take the liberty to say that it's a lot more comfortable and better than the Booza in so many terms, because one, newer, and two, it's super easy to ride, just like the Booza. But Booza, at least you have a little bit of a lean, that's helping you in the sporty stance. So this one, I'm virtually sitting like a commuter. There is absolutely, there is rear set, but nothing at all in terms of a sports bike. And what's amazing about this that I like is the heating, which is absolutely brilliantly managed. The bike of course does get heated up, not that it doesn't, but the channeling and as well as the huge panels, they deflect the heat away in such a brilliant manner, which is phenomenal. Totally impressed, because even my 650 Ninja isn't as good as this on heat management. The Tiger is absolutely pathetic when it comes to heat management. So this for me is a welcome change. Let me actually get going. A lot of traffic nowadays. Saturdays are just terrible.